Okay, let us start. uh, Frames with different column heights. For example, suppose this is the frame. A, B, C, D. This is, let us assume it is HAB and this is HCD. And let's assume here some Q load is acting. Maybe some other loads also acting like this, okay? So first we will do formulation, then we'll start problem, okay? So formulation here, basically two columns are there. That means here assume final moments on columns are like this. Final moments, let's assume it is MAB and it is MBA. Okay. And this is MCD and MDC and this is MCD. Because of this MAB and MBA, HA will develop at A and HD will develop at D. That means HD, MAB and MBA clockwise couples. That's why anti-clockwise like this. Let's assume it is HA and here also it forms like this HD. Okay. Now sigma h equal to 0 equilibrium. That means some of the horizontal forces must be 0. To take that equilibrium, sigma h equal to 0, Q plus HA plus HD must be equal to 0. That means Q plus HA means MAB plus MBA by small HAB plus HD means MCD plus MDC by small HCD must be 0. Okay. Now let us assume HAB equal to reference height HR. Okay. Now you can write like this: Q plus MAB plus MBA by HAB multiplied by HR by HR, okay, plus MCD plus MDC by HCD multiplied by HR by HR, okay. And here also Q also multiply with HR by HR, okay, equal to 0. Now what happens? We'll see. Now denominator, of course, we cancel this one HR denominator. Okay. Now QHR equal to, let us define this HR by HAB something. HR by HAB, let us assume it is CAB, some factor, height correction factor. Similarly, HR by HCD, let us assume it is CCD. Now what happens? HR by HAB is CAB. CAB multiplied by MAB plus MBA plus HR by SCD, CCD multiplied by MCD plus MDC equal to 0. Okay. Now the procedure is as usual, except this CAB, CCD, remaining procedure is as usual. See this, CAB into, what is MAB? MAB, you know, MFAB plus 4EI by what? 4EI by AB, I mean HAB into theta A plus 2EI by HAB into theta B plus some displacements are there, means 6EI delta by HAB square into 6EI delta by HAB square. Okay, this is MAB, right? Now plus what else? CAB into MFBA plus 4A by HAB into theta A plus 2EI HAB into, sorry, AB means here, theta B here, 4A by HAB into theta B, 2A by this one into theta A plus 6A delta by HAB square. Similarly, CCD also. Okay. Plus similarly, CCD into MCD means MFCD plus 4A by HCD into C at C angle theta C plus 2A by HCD into theta D plus 6A delta by HCD square plus CCD multiplied by MFDC plus 4A by HCD into theta D plus 2EA by HCD into theta C plus 6A delta by HCD square equal to 0. This is the, just we have substituted this MAB, MBA, MCD, MDC values. Okay, the same actually, you know, because of no loads on columns, this MFAB, MFBA, MFCD, MFDC are 0. And this one you can write like this. I mean, not equal here. Plus HR plus right here plus. Okay. Now QHR plus CAB. This you can write 2 times of M dash AB. 4A by HAB into theta can be written 2 times of M dash AB plus that one M dash BA plus that 6A delta by HAB square can be written M double dash AB. Similarly, plus 2 times of this one 4A by HAB theta B. 2 times of M dash BA plus M dash AB plus M double dash BA. M double dash BA, AB both are same. Plus CCD into CCD into 2 times of M dash CD plus M dash DC, right? Plus M double dash CD plus 2 times of M dash DC plus M dash CD plus M double dash CD equal to 0. So except CAB, CCD, everything is as previous only. Okay. Now if you see Q into HR equal to, I mean plus CAB into, of course, you know here M dash AB is 0, right? M dash AB is 0, M dash DC also 0. Okay, anyway, first we will write and then we will see. 3 times of M dash AB plus 3 times of M dash BA plus 3 times of M dash CD plus 3 times of M dash DC plus 2 times of M double dash AB plus 2 times of M double dash CD equal to 0. This one M dash AB and M dash DC are 0 actually because those are fixed ends. Okay, there is no possibility for rotation, that's why 0. Now from this you can write M double dash AB plus M double dash CD. See this M double dash AB, M double dash CD are movements.
సేమ్ లేదు కదా సార్, కామన్ తీయడం సిఏబి ఒకటి ఉంది, సిసిడి ఒకటి ఉంది, కంబైన్డ్ గా రాయలేము కదా సార్ మొత్తం.
ఓకే, వన్ సెకండ్. Here we need to separate, right? Okay. CAB into 3 times of M dash AB plus 3 times of M dash BA plus 2 times of M double dash AB plus CCD multiplied by 3 times of M dash CD plus 3 times of M dash DC plus 2 times of M double dash CD equal to 0. Now you know M dash AB, M dash CD are 0. Now we can write like this: CAB into M double dash AB plus CCD into M double dash CD equal to minus 3 by 2 times of QHR by 3 plus QHR by 3 plus, okay, CAB into M dash BA plus CCD into M dash DC. Okay. So this is the equation. So what changes are there here from previous one? Except CAB, CCD, everything was same. Okay. Earlier case also everything was same compared to this. Except here two things are coming. CAB, CCD. Here CAB, HR by HAB, that is one. CCD, HR by SCD. That may be different because of different height. Okay. Now we'll see how to find M double dash AB, M double dash CD separately. So combination is there now. How to separate we will see.
Sir,
Check ma.
sir, akka DC fixed cut, sir.
Okay, now we will see that what is the ratio of that. The ratio of M double dash AB divided by M double dash CD. You know the definition of M double dash AB is 6 EI delta by HAB square divided by 6 EI delta by HCD square. This you can write 6 so here 4 EI by HAB into 3 by 2 times of 4 EI HAB into delta by HAB. You can write like this, divided by here also 3 by 2 into 4 EI by HCD into delta by HCD. You can write like this. Which is equal to 3 by 2. This is what? KAB into delta by HAB divided by 3 by 2 into KCD into delta by HCD. Just multiply here with HR and here also with HR. Now which is equal to KAB, HR by HAB is CAB by KCD, HR by HCD is CCD. Okay, remaining things cancel, delta and 3 by 2. Now in previous slide if you see CAB M double dash AB, CCD M double dash CD. We need to split it into separately, that's M double dash AB and M double dash CD. That means if you know CAB into M double dash AB equal to CAB into M double dash AB by one second. That will be CAB M double dash AB plus CCD M double dash CD. Is it okay? Is this equation okay? Multiplied by CAB M double dash AB plus CCD into M double dash CD. So you understood this. Simply just we are multiplying this CAB M double dash AB plus CCD M double dash CD and dividing also, right? Is step clear kada? CAB M double dash AB is written as CAB M double dash AB multiplied and divided with the same quantity. Okay, that means here CAB M double dash AB by CAB M double dash AB plus CCD M double dash CD multiplied by the quantity. Here this one is exactly, see here, CAB M double dash AB plus CCD M double dash CD is nothing but something of this minus 3 by 2 something, right? That will substitute minus 3 by 2 QHR by 3 plus CAB into what is that M dash AB M dash BA plus CCD into M dash CD, right? CD. Okay. Like this, which is equal to, this is what, CAB into M double dash AB. Here CAB gets cancelled, right? Okay, that means something wrong, no? 1 second. Okay, here M double dash AB, see from this we can write one more thing here. What is M double dash AB by M double dash CD is KAB CAB by KCD CCD, right? From this we can write one more thing, CAB M double dash AB by CCD M double dash CD can be written as KAB into CAB square divided by KCD into CCD square, right? Just multiply, just we have multiplied CAB and CCD here, okay, denominator and numerator, okay. Now CAB M double dash AB equal to what? CAB M double dash AB can be written as, okay, CAB M double dash AB divided by CAB M double dash AB plus CCD M double dash CD can be written as KAB CAB square divided by KAB CAB square plus KCD CCD square, right? I think this is called component or dividend rule, something, right? తెలుసు కదా మీకు ఇది. సపోజ్ మీకు A by B equal to C by D అని ఉందనుకోండి, this can be written as A by A plus B equal to C by C plus D. తెలుసు కదా రూలు?
Yes, sir.
ఏం రూల్ అంటాం దాన్ని? కాంపోనెంట్ డివిడెండ్ రూల్ సంథింగ్ ఏదో ఉందన్నమాట, మనం 8th క్లాస్ లో ఎప్పుడు నేర్చుకుంటాం దాన్ని. A by B equal to C by D ఉంటే A by A plus B equal to C by C plus D. Okay, that's simple proof అన్నమాట అది. Now we can substitute that here. So CAB M double dash AB equal to, see this CAB M double dash AB divided by CAB M double dash AB plus CCD M double dash CD can be substituted back by KAB CAB square by KAB CAB square plus KCD CCD square multiplied by minus 3 by 2 QHR by 3 plus CAB M dash BA plus CCD M dash CD. Okay, and here CAB and square can be cancelled here. CAB and square. That means M double dash AB equal to KAB CAB by KAB CAB square plus KCD CCD square into of this minus 3 by 2 QHR by 3 plus CAB M dash BA plus CCD M dash CD. Similarly, M double dash CD equal to KCD CCD divided by KAB CAB square plus KCD CCD square into minus 3 by 2 QHR by 3 plus CAB M dash BA plus CCD M dash CD. Okay, so these are the required things for us. Yeah, M double dash AB can be written as displacement factor multiplied by QHR by 3 plus CAB M dash BA plus CCD M dash CD. Similarly, M double dash CD equal to displacement factor multiplied by QHR by 3 plus CAB M dash BA plus CCD M dash CD. Okay. Two bracket bracket. Okay, like this. Where displacement factor equal to, see here displacement factor of AB, this is displacement factor of CD. Displacement factor of AB is nothing but KAB CAB divided by sigma KC square. Okay, KC square means KAB CAB square plus KCD CCD square. Okay, displacement factor of CD equal to KCD into CCD divided by sigma KC square. So these are the displacement factor definition, and finding the displacement moment is like this: displacement factor multiplied by story moment Q into HR is story moment divided by 3 plus CAB into M dash BA. That means forward moment should be multiplied with that correction factor CAB, and also forward moment M dash CD should be multiplied with the correction factor of CCD. So you need to keep in mind two things. One is while calculating displacement moments, the foreign moments M dash BA and M dash CD are what? Foreign moments of columns. Foreign moments of columns must be multiplied with the respective correction factors. That's very important. Second thing is see one more thing here. Displacement factor minus 3 by 2 also is there. Minus 3 by 2. Okay. Second thing, in previous cases, displacement factor definition was like this: minus 3 by 2 into KAB divided by sigma K. Now here newly see correction factor numerator denominator correction factor square is multiplying here. That you should keep in mind. So we will solve one problem. With that, everything will be clear for you. Now we will see the problem. Giri, enter ayapaya ippudu?
Yes, sir.
So we will see one problem. A, B, C, D, 4 meters, 2i, 6 meters I, some loading here 27 kilonewton, 2 meter and 1 meter. Some 10 kilonewtons load is there here. Okay. So first we need to start with finding rotation factors. Okay. So joint, we have two joints B, C. Members or spans BA, BC, CB, CD. Then K values. BA 4 into 2EI by 4. BC 4 EI by, this is I only. EI by L means here 3. CB also 4 EI by 3. CD 4 EI by 6. Then sigma K 2 plus 4 by 3, 10 by 3, right? 2 plus 4 by 3, how much?
10 by 3.
10 by 3. Here also 4 by 3 plus 4 by 6. 4 by 3 means 8 by 6 plus 4 by 6, so 12 by 6, so 2 na?
Yes, sir.
2EA. So distribution factors. Distribution factors now how much?
3 by 5.
3 by 5.
5.
This one 2 by 5, right?
2 by 5.
Then here
2 by 3.
and 1 by 3. Yeah?
Oh.
1 by 3. Now rotation factors are minus 1 by 2 multiplication. That is minus 3 by
10.
10. Minus 3 by 10.
Minus 1 by 5.
Minus 1 by 5.
Minus 1 by 3.
Minus.
Minus 1 by 6.
These are the rotation factors. Similarly, displacement factors also we need to find. For finding displacement factors, so members makes columns here. Columns are AB column and CD column. 2 columns are there. So then what is K value? AB K, what is that? 4 times of 2A by 4. CD K 4A by 6. Okay. K values. After that C values also. See, we are reference column, we are taking this AB. Okay. AB is a reference column, that's why C for that is 1. For other one reference, HR by reference column height by present column height. Reference column height is 4, present column height is 6. Of course, this is 4 by 4, that equal to 1. Okay, this one is 2 by 3. C value. Correction factor. Okay. Then what is this? C into K? CK 2. Okay.
8 by
2 EI. Okay, here this one
3.
C into K 4 by 9. 4 by 9 A. C into K. Similarly, find C square K also. C square K also you find. C square means 1 square K, that is 2A, right?
2A.
But here C square K means C 2 by 3, C square means 4 by 9 into 2 by 3, that is how much? 8 by how much? 8 by 27. 8. Now what is sigma of C square K or KC square? Sigma of C square K is how much?
62 by
62 by
27.
27 EA. Okay. Now this one CK divided by sigma C square K value. This by this. That is obviously how much? Sigma is 62 by 27 EI. CK 2 EI for AB member. So for that 27 by 31, right? 27 by 31. For this one CK 4 by 9, C square is sigma C square K 62 by 27. So Ck by sigma C square K will be 6 by 31, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now displacement factor equal to minus 3 by 2 times of this one. Displacement factor equal to minus 3 by 2 into Ck by sigma C square K. Just minus 3 by 2 we need to multiply with this. That is
81 by 62.
minus 81 by
62.
2 and here minus 9 by 31.
Yes, sir.
So these are the displacement factors. So in earlier case, in earlier problem, C was not there. Directly we could find the displacement factor simply minus 3 by 2 into K by sigma K. Now, chapma.
Sir, అది 4 by 31 వస్తుంది సార్.
ఏదమ్మా?
అది 6 by 31 రాశారు కదా, 4 by 31.
4 by 31 వస్తుందా? 4 by 9 into 20.
3 by 31.
3 by 31 వస్తుందా?
3 by 31.
ఎలా? 4 by 9 into 27 by 62 కదా. 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 9s, 2s,
Okay.
31, 3 3s, 6 by 31. కరెక్టే కదమ్మా? 4 by 9 into 27 by 62.
Okay.
Okay. So finding rotation factors and finding displacement factors is very important. The derivation is about this for finding of these displacement factors only. The entire derivation previously we did here is just to find displacement factors. Okay, KAB CAB divided by sigma KC square. Just to find this entire this derivation is required for that only. Otherwise, if you can remember this one, it's okay. You can solve problems. Okay. So now we'll start the problem. Have a table column like this. Here for entering this displacement factor. So now these factors are BA. BA means here minus 3 by 10. That is minus 0.3. This is minus 2 by 5 mean 1 by 5 means minus 0.2. And here minus 1 by 3. This one is minus 1 by 6. So these are the rotation factors. And the displacement factors for this column, it is minus 81 by 62. Other side minus 9 by 31. Okay, these are the rotation factors. Sorry, displacement factors. Now frictional moments are 27 into how much this frictional moment? MFBC minus 27 into 2 into 1 square by 9. MFCB 27 into 2 square into 2 square into 1 by 9. How much?
Minus 6.
And 12. Minus 6 and 12. So the central values are this minus 6 and 12. Now we will start the iteration process. First minus 6 into minus 0.3. How much? We'll write here m dash BA.
1.8.
Here you'll write m dash BC. Here you write m dash CB. Here we will write m dash CD. From here onwards we will write, or otherwise this side we will write m double dash AB. Here we will write m double dash CD, which equal to 1.8. This is 1.8. Okay. Next. Similarly, minus
1.2, sir. 1.2.
1.2. This one is 1.2. M dash BC is 1.2. Now coming to this side, 12 foreign movement is 1.2 multiplied by minus 1 by 3. How much?
Minus 4.4.
Minus 4.4. 4. Exactly 4 or something else, no?
4.4 only, sir.
Okay. Next. Similarly, 12 plus 1.2 into minus 1 by 6.
Minus 2.2.
Okay. Minus 2.2. So now we'll see displacement moments. Okay. This one m double dash AB. For finding m double dash AB, so we need to find the C value multiplied by foreign moment. That means C value for AB member 1, foreign moment for AB member is 1.8, plus C value for CD is C value 2 by 3. Foreign moment is minus 2.2 multiplied by displacement factor minus 81 by 62. Equal to how much? That is here m dash AB. How much? Sorry, one more thing. QH, this also there. What is that? QHR by. Here we need to write that. 10 into reference height 4 by 3. That equal to 40 by 3. Here 40 by 3 also will be there. Okay. You can see that here in formula. Where here QHR by 3 plus CAB m dash BA plus CCD m dash CD, right? This one. Displacement factor multiplied by. Okay. So that's why here 40 by 3. This story moment by 3 is 40 by 3 plus CAB into m dash BA, CCD into m dash CD. Okay. Into displacement factor minus 81 by 62. How much?
Minus 17.85.
Minus 17.85. That means here I will write minus 17.85. Similarly, the factor just we change here to minus 9 by 31. Now this value will be how much?
Minus 3.97.
3.97 minus 3.97. Okay, like that. Same process we need to repeat. Okay. Now here, now m dash BA, we will see. Finding m dash BA, see minus 6. For this minus 6, displacement moment also needs to be added. Minus 17.85. This column's displacement moment multiplied by minus 0.3. How much?
Sir, foreign movement rather, sir.
Yeah, foreign moment would also.
1.4.
Foreign moment also will be there. Minus 6 minus 4.4 foreign moment displacement moment minus 17.85. Yeah. How much?
8.487.
8.487
487.
means 49.
49.
Okay. Now, other one, 0.2. 0.2 for this. Just change the rotation factor.
5.65.
5.65. జోష్న గమనిస్తున్నావు కదమ్మా, క్లారిటీ వస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
ఇది స్వేనే కాబట్టి జస్ట్ బాగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయమ్మా, నీకు ఎక్కడ డౌట్స్ వస్తే అడుగు.
Okay, sir.
Next, similarly at joint C, see 12 is the fixed moment, forward moment is 5.65, displacement moment is minus 3.97. Minus 3.97. See, fixed moment, forward moment and displacement moment multiplied by factor minus 1/3 equal to
Minus 4.5.
4.55.
minus 4.55. So here minus 4.55. Sorry, 1/3 here minus 4.55.
Here 2.275.
This one, if you instead of 1/3, if you put 1/6 here, this will be 2.
Minus 2.275.
Minus 2.275. Okay, 27. Minus 2.27 like that. Next, again displacement factors. Displacement moment. So for finding displacement moment, story moment by 3, that is 40/3, plus foreign moment for this 8.49, 1 into 8.49, because C should be multiplied. Okay, you should not forget that. Similarly, C for that 2/3 multiplied by 2 minus 2.27. Okay, this one into displacement factor is minus 81/62. How much?
$26.53.
Minus 26.53. So minus 26.53 is here. Similarly, just change this factor. Minus 9/31. Now
Minus 5.89.
minus 5.89. Minus 5.89. Okay, clear. So అందరికీ సైకిల్స్ అర్థమైనాయి కదా క్లియర్ గా? ఎవ్రీ టైం మనం 4 విషయాలు చేస్తున్నాం. ఒకటి వచ్చి జాయింట్ బి దగ్గర ఆ 2 కనుక్కుంటున్నాం, రొటేషన్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్స్. అదే సి దగ్గర దెన్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ కనుక్కుంటున్నాం అనమాట. ఓకే, సో 6 వాల్యూస్ కనిపెడుతున్నాం ఒక సైకిల్లో. సో నెక్స్ట్ సైకిల్కి వెళ్దాం మళ్ళీ. నౌ minus 6 is the fixed moment at joint B. Forward moment is minus 4.55. Displacement moment is minus 26.53. Multiplied by rotation moment minus 0.3. Equal to
11.124.
11.12.
1 to 7.
Emma? 11.12. Then here, other place. If it is 0.2, then it will be how much?
7.4.
416.
6.42. Okay. 7.42. Similarly, For that, 12 plus foreign moment is 7.42. Displacement moment is minus 5.89 multiplied by minus 1 by 3.
4.51
4.51
minus
minus 4.51. If it is 6, then Emma?
2.25 minus 2.25.
Minus minus okay. Minus 2.25. Okay, like that. Again, displacement. Joshna, clarity వచ్చేసింది కదమ్మా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now displacement. Here, first story moment 40 by 3. Story moment is 40 divided by 3. The 3 is fixed. Plus 1 into 1 means C of AB. And M dash BA is 11.12. Foreign, I mean the foreign moment. Plus C of CD is 2 by 3. Foreign moment for that is minus 2.25. Okay, multiplied by factor minus 81 by 62.
minus 30.45
30.45 minus 30.45. So this factor, if you change to minus 9 by 31, this value would be how much?
6.76.
Minus
Yes, sir.
6.76
76.
minus 6.76. So like this, another cycle over, third cycle. Next we will see fourth cycle. First rotation, this one. So minus 6 is the fixed moment. Foreign moment is minus 4.51. Displacement moment is minus 30.45 multiplied by minus 0.3 equal to
minus 12.288.
29. Okay.
29.
29. Minus plus plus, right?
Yes.
Plus 12.29. Okay. Now if it is minus 0.2, then it would be 7 points or 8 points?
8.19.
8.192.
8.19. Similarly, 12 is the fixed moment. 8.19 is the plus 8.19 is the foreign moment. Displacement moment is minus 6.76 multiplied by minus 1 by 3 equal to how much?
4.47.
Minus
Yes, sir.
minus 4.47. And if it is minus 1 by 6, then it would be
Minus
2.23.
2.24.
2.24. Next again, displacement factors. Now this one 40 by 3. 40 is the story moment. 10 into 4, that is 40 by 3 plus 1. Correction factor is 1 for that moment, foreign moment, 12.29 plus 2 by 3 is the correction factor for minus 2.24 multiplied by minus 81 by 62.
31.6, sir.
Minus 31.61. Okay.
0.
Minus 31.61. And if it is minus 9 by 31, this will be
7.02.
minus 7.02.
02.
Minus 7.02. Okay, almost stabilized. Okay. So if you want to continue, you can continue 2 more steps. Otherwise, you can stop. So right now we will stop here and we will find final moments. So Now final moments are like this. MAB. MAB equal to, see, no fixed moment. 2 times of near end moment not there. Far end moment is there. That is 12.29, and fixed moment is there. That is, I mean, displacement moment, that is 31.61, equal to how much?
Minus 19.32.
Minus 19.32. MBA, no fixed moment, 2 times of near end moment, and displacement moment, equal to
Minus 7.03.
MBC, fixed moment, 2 times of near end moment, 1 time of far end moment, plus displacement moment, that is minus 31.61, equal to
सर बीम की डिस्प्लेसमेंट मोमेंट जिसको बीम की डिस्प्लेसमेंट मोमेंट जिसको
displacement moment, yeah, not required. For beam, not required. For beam, no displacement moment. How much?
11.91.
Emma?
5.91
Point.
plus 5.91.
Okay, the difference వచ్చింది. Here is same roll. Minus 6 plus 2 times of 8.19.
5.91. sir.
Huh?
5.91.
5.8 కూడా చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది.
Minus 6.
ఇంకా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది.
సార్ ఇంకొక సైకిల్ వేస్తే ఈక్వల్ వస్తుంది సార్.
వస్తుందమ్మా?
సార్ ఈక్వల్ వస్తుంది 7.03.
అమ్మా ఇంకో సైకిల్ చేయండి. చెప్పండి వాల్యూస్, ఇంకో సైకిల్ వాల్యూస్ చెప్పమా. సైకిల్ వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ ఎంత? 12.29 తర్వాత ఎంత వచ్చింది?
12.546.
12.55. 46 means 55. Okay, next.
8.364.
8.34. Next.
4.468.
468 means 47. Okay, next.
2.234.
23. Okay, next. This one.
31.342.
31.34.
342.
Okay, here.
Minus 6.9.
6 point.
అంతే వస్తుంది సార్.
ఎకనామిక్ రీజన్ ఏముందమ్మా? పెరిగింది కదా వాల్యూ. 40/3 plus 1 into 12.
ఫైనల్ గా 7.08 వస్తుంది. 7.08.
7.08. Okay. Do one more cycle.
$12.70.
12.70. Okay.
8.47. Minus 4.463.
46. Okay.
Minus 2.232.
23. Okay. Then
Minus 31.87.
31.87. Okay, then
minus 7.08.
0
7.08.
stabilized. Okay. One more cycle because values are a little bit.
అది values కి వస్తుంది సార్ ఆన్సర్.
Okay, we will do one more cycle for better result. Okay.
12.7.
12.7. Okay. 7 అయినా పక్కన ఏమైనా ఉందా?
12.69 ఉంది.
Okay, no problem. 7. Okay, next
8.47 sir.
47. Okay, then same 46. అంతేనా? అంతే కదా?
Yes sir.
ఛాన్స్ లేదు మరి ఛాన్స్. డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్
సేమ్ ఏ వస్తుంది సార్ మళ్ళీ.
31.87, 7.08. Okay, now we check it. M dash, sorry, MAB. Fixed moment is not there, near end moment is not there, only foreign moment, that is 12.7, and displacement moment is 31.87, equal to
minus 19.17.
MBA 2 times of 12.7 minus 31.87,
minus 6.47.
6.44.
47.
Yes sir.
Okay. MBC fixed moment plus 2 times of near end moment plus foreign moment. No displacement moment for beam.
Plus 6.477.
6.47. 7. Okay. 8. Okay, no problem. MCB 12 plus 2 times of minus 4.46 plus 8.47.
11.544.
11.54. Okay. Then MCD 2 times of near end moment, that is 2.23 plus displacement minus 7.08.
Minus 11.544.
Okay, 4. MDC equal to minus 2.23 foreign moment, and this one 7.08 equal to
minus 9.31.
9.31.
minus 9.31. We'll mark here. MAB anti-clockwise 19.17, anti-clockwise 6.47, clockwise 6.47, clockwise 11.54, anti-clockwise 11.54, and anti-clockwise 9.31. Okay, these are the final moments. So quickly we will see in stat pro, okay, for conformity. Okay, 19.4, 6.59. For this, how much we got at A?
19.17, 6.47.
Okay, almost same. Then 6.59, 11.6. In place of 11.6, how much we got?
11.544.
Okay, no problem. 11.6 and here 9.38 at D. How much we got?
9.312.
Okay, almost same results only. Okay.